Hi everyone, thank you guys again for joining me in another video. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing Jane's Agenda's August subscription box. And I'm kind of excited. So I try to avoid every month all the sneak peeks and everything, just because I want you guys to get my real reaction to it and figure out. I did see one for September and I'm super excited, but we'll wait and see what September holds. But anyways, let's get into this subscription box. So I did pull everything out just so it wouldn't be too much, but this is her card here, and it says, "Dear subscriber, this month step into an enchanting world of bionicle beauty, embracing a mystical," oh my goodness, I don't know, I'm the worst reader, inspired theme that brings the magic of nature into your planning routine," and so on. But yeah, so this is for August 2024. And then here's just a little glance of what's in this box. Looks like she's including a plastic cover or dashboard set, a page finder, dashboard set, accessory pack which has a clear sticker pack, magnet clip, quote card set of 3, sticky notes, a friction pen 0.5mm, a lot of things this time, decorative vellum and black cardstock set, tip and planner is insert, a decorative cardstock dashboard set, a saddle stitch notebook, a wood sticky note holder, and a weekly desk pad. So we got a lot of things, and I do get the deluxe subscription box, so you get all the goodies. I know she has, like, if you just want like the planner covers, I think with something else, and then there's like a medium, or no, you get that, or you can get everything else but that, or they have the whole thing. So it just kind of depends what you guys are in the mood for. Let's just kind of pull this out of here. I am going to start with this one just so we can unbox it. Ooh, this is very nice. I like the quality of this. It is wood. It is nice for all your sticky notes. Yeah, I like it. Nice, nice, nice. This can definitely go in my desk for sticky notes. I go through a lot of sticky notes. I'm assuming this is the accessory packet. So like I was saying, I do go through a ton of stickers. I'm trying to see if I can get the not so much glare in here. Okay, I go through a lot of sticky notes at work, just alone at work. So I always love having something like this, and the one that I have I like at work, but I think this is smaller and compact that I can put right next to me as I'm grabbing sticky notes. So here is the magnetic clip binder. This is very sturdy, very nice. I do like these ones. It is like the leather kind that leather that she usually has, so it's really good quality. I do like this a lot. I think these are the quote cards. All good things are wild and free. Oh, I like these. I'll probably put this somewhere in my planner for sure. So I'm just gonna stack everything up in here. And then obviously sticky notes. And those, let me see if they fit perfect in here or not. And they do. Nice. Just the perfect size. And then it has here so you can lift up, so they're easy to grab. So I do like that. Even having them stand up, if you had like a to-do one, a line one, a graph one, you could stand them up right there and then just kind of go through and figure out which one you need. I'm gonna stand it up for now just so it holds everything. I love that. What would this be? I'm not sure what she would call this one, but I love these because they're just it looks better in camera. I think right now where I'm viewing it, I don't know how it'll be when I load it, but I just love this. Very detailed, very nice. I just love it. It's like her thank you card, I think, but I always include it in my planner, just kind of put it in top in front of the month. That doesn't fit in there, but I'll set that next to it. Friction pen. I do like these because they are erasable, so if you're a person that likes to make a lot of changes and do things these are great. I do like these pens for that, but I don't use them a lot in my planner. These must be the clear sticker pack. And they're all leaf clear. Ooh. Give or take what if I ever decide to do like a wildflower or something, like a wild theme, this will, those stickers are nice. I'm gonna keep those. And then this is her page finder, and I do like that. And like always, it does come with like a protection vellum or protection, yeah, right here. You peel that off so you can experience the full clear, and that is so beautiful. If I remember correctly, she said that she put it here so when you put it in your planner, it lays flat as a leaf, you know. So that's really nice. I do like that. And then the daily essentials. And so, oh, okay. You got your priority task for the day. I'm grateful for self-care, hydrate, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. This is actually great for that day or week maybe that you're not trying to plan. You just need to jot things down really quick, like a really long to-do list. Not really long because it's only a little bit, but you know, if you just like, okay, I need to get this stuff done today. Those are nice to add in there. And this is her saddle stitch notebook. I like that because it's just lined paper, you know, just to have in there. You always need a good notebook. Probably give that to my daughter though, because I don't really use notebooks in my planner. And then this will be her, what is she called this one? The decorative cardstock dashboard set. Nope, the decorative vellum and black cardstock set. And that is so, hold on to your vision. Oh, this is nice. I like that. Because even if you did just like that, like if you wanted this just to pop out, but this makes the little flowers behind it, the leaves I mean, pop out. So that's nice. I like that. Ooh, I like this flower. I don't know what kind of flower it is in the mushrooms. These are very nice. I do like these. I kind of want to get into decorating my planner a lot more, but like layering, but I already have so much in there that I don't want to add extra stuff. And then this could be for your planner inserts, like to put in the back or front of the cover. I like these. These are nice, but I really like this one. We'll see how we decide to plan out, but this is the most exciting part because I get to switch this every month, is the plastic cover. And she does have a plastic on this as well. That way it protects the clearness from scratching within, you know, I can't peel it off right now. So it looks a little dull, but if I'm able to remove it, maybe. Okay. I'm just filing my trash over here. You can see how much more clear it is, and that is beautiful. Let me see how it looks with this. Looks so nice. I believe these are the ones. Yep, these are the ones she intended for this cover. So let's see how I like it. Oh, that looks so nice. It's definitely gonna give a different type of vibe this month. I like this one the most. I'm just trying to think which one I want and what color rings to go with it, because I don't have you know, I think I like this one the most. I like that the most, or this one. I know I have a lot of these dashboards, so if I can't find one, but I'm thinking this one. I am liking this. I'm just not sure what rings to use, because right now I have silver and I might grab my gold ones maybe, just because it has like this, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we decide to do. But I do get mine. I add on the elastic band because I like to be able to close my planners. And then this is her weekly schedule. And this is actually nice because when I'm planning and when I want to fill my plan with me's, I can definitely fill this out and have it for reference, or even like as the week goes, just so I know everything. And this is nice, just so you have it like all filled out. This is the first week in August. We would say Monday, August 8th. So you see, and then you can erase. I mean, it's not the best eraser, give or take, but because you can still kind of see, well, not on camera, but in person I can still kind of see the 24. But I mean, like I said, if it is something like you're trying to, you know, like you said, oh, I'm gonna work out Wednesday at 6 o'clock. I put work, and you're like, oh wait, I couldn't do it. Or you know, you're planning Tuesday next day, and you're like, nope, 6 o'clock won't work because whatever reason. You can change it and say, okay, I'm gonna go to work instead of 6, 8. So I do like that. So I will probably keep, can't talk. I will keep this with this here because those will work out as I'm planning my week. And even for like when I plan out my videos for the week, this would work. Like I can map out my week. So yeah, so this is this month's subscription box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to it. It's like gonna be a change of color green. I really do love this this one. I might go back and order one for work, that way I can keep this one at home. And I'm just trying to figure out what disc I'm going to use this month because I can't think of what color to use with this. So, but hopefully I have that figured out before my disc planner set up. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.